It's the Cool Teacher back again, back with another video. See the transversal on the screen. Know what time it is, geometry. Just in case you don't know what a transversal is going to be, matter of fact, I'll just link it above and you can watch the video I did on it. Okay, but what we're talking about today is angle relationships, or are angle relationships. So the angle relationships we are talking about today is going to be the alternate exterior angles. Okay, now let me explain those three words really quick before I start getting into it. Alternate means you're going to go ahead and change sides left to right, and also groups. I'll explain that in a little bit. Exterior means outside, and angles are these things. No, the angles that come together, these V-shaped portions of these lines that are crossing. Okay, that's the most layman's terms I can get it. Okay, that's the most basic I could explain what an angle is. Okay, so alternate exterior angle. So let me go ahead and tell you guys the most important part, because this is what a lot of people mess up. Exterior means outside. This transversal has two outside portions. This is one of the first outside portions. And when I say exterior, this basically leads from here to here and here to here. Also have a top and a bottom. Okay, very important. I'll tell you why in a minute. And just like on top, this leads from here to here and here to ain't writing on my logo right here. All right, cool. So just so you can get a clear depiction of what the exteriors are, all of this is considered the exterior, and all of this is considered the exterior. Just in case me kind of like putting it in brackets is not enough, everything that you see with the sky blue on it, that's the exterior. This right here, all of this in here is considered the interior. If you're doing alternate exterior angles, nothing is going to show up in here because that's inside. Okay, a lot of mistakes are made because people don't know how to differentiate exterior from interior. Okay, so all the angles we are doing, or relationships we're talking about today, are going to show up on the outside. All right, cool. Now that that's out of the way, let's go ahead and start talking about different angles. All right, so I'll put an angle up here. Say they give you an angle like this and they say it's 115 degrees. All right, we have to find another angle, an alternate exterior angle that's congruent or exactly the same as this. So congruent means to be equal. Okay, that's what congruent means. I'll put that definition down in the description. All congruent means is the geometry way of saying that it's the same. All right, so this is 115 degrees. Now this is where alternate exterior angle comes in. So right now I'm at an angle, so the only words I have left are alternate and exterior. Remember, alternate talks about switching sides, and the sides we're going to switch are the sides of the transversal. This is my transversal line. Okay, so right now we're on the left side of my transversal line. We have to switch to the right, so it's over here. But remember, when I was talking about the descriptions, I said switch sides and groups. The reason I said groups, this is a group of angles. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 angles here, right? This is also a group of angles. So we have to switch sides and groups. So I have to switch to the right side. And the right side would be here, but I have to switch groups as well. So that means I have to come all the way down. I can't do this one because this is interior, so it has to be this side, which is the exterior. So this is also 115 degrees. Alternate exterior angles. Switch sides and groups, and it has to be on the outside. That's basically it. As long as you remember like those words, or the definition of those words, this should be very, very simple to you. All right. But there's another set of alternate exterior angles here. It's going to be this one. Okay. And let's say that's 65 degrees. All right. So once again, this is on the exterior portion, so it's on the outside. All right. I need alternate exterior angle. So let's say this right now is on the outside. I already have my angle. Alternate, this is on the right. It has to switch to the left, but it also has to switch groups. So I have to come down to the outside left. Alternate exterior. And there you have it. That means this will also be 65 degrees. And that's what alternate exterior angles really are. They're switching the sides and groups and making sure the angles are on the outside. That's all it is. That's the angle relationship. Alternate exterior angles are always congruent. I know I sound like a broken record, but if you saw how much, if you saw how many people got this incorrect, and it's so simple, you'd be amazed. You might be one of the people that get it wrong all the time, and that's probably why I sound like a broken record, because I have to keep saying it, because the more you hear it, you just end up knowing it. All right. If you like this video, go ahead and drop a like. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos about this, because the next one I'm doing is actually alternate interior, which is the kind of opposite of this. All right. Drop a comment if you want to see other content. That's cool. I'll be happy to go ahead and do that. And other than that, this is the Cool Teacher, and I'm out.